What if I told you that you could build strong, defined legs without moving at all? No jumping, no endless squats, no wrecked knees. It sounds impossible, but it's absolutely real. Most people believe strong legs only come from high-impact exercises or heavy weights. But the truth is, isometric training, where muscles contract without movement, can deliver powerful results when done correctly and consistently, regardless of your age or fitness level. Today, you'll discover 6 lower body isometric exercises that target every major muscle in your legs. Before we begin, drop your name and city in the comments. I love seeing where everyone's watching from. Exercise 6, Horse Stance. Inspired by ancient martial arts, the horse stance is one of the most effective isometric leg exercises ever created. It builds incredible endurance and strength in the quadriceps, glutes, and inner thighs simultaneously. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width and rotate them slightly outward. Keep your chest tall and gaze forward. Slowly lower yourself as if sitting into an invisible chair until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and your core tight. Extend your arms forward or hold them bent at your sides. Avoid leaning forward or letting your knees collapse inward. Start with 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds, resting 60 seconds between sets. Over time, build up to 1 to 2 minutes. Shaking legs are normal. It means your muscles are being challenged. Exercise 5, Static Lunge Hold. This exercise is brutal and extremely effective. It builds unilateral strength while correcting muscle imbalances between legs. Step forward into a comfortable lunge position. Lower yourself until both knees form roughly 90-degree angles. The front knee stays stacked over the ankle, and the back heel remains lifted. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. Avoid leaning forward or staying too high. Hold for 30 seconds per leg, completing 3 sets. As you improve, work up to 60 to 90 seconds. For an extra challenge, raise your arms overhead. Exercise 4, Static Glute Bridge. If your goal is stronger, rounder glutes, and better posture, this exercise is non-negotiable. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat, hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Squeeze your glutes hard and hold. Avoid arching your lower back or dropping your hips. Start with 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds. Progress to 60 to 90 seconds. For added intensity, lift one leg and hold for 15 to 20 seconds per side. Remember to breathe. Never hold your breath during isometric work. Exercise 3, Single Leg Drop Squat. Hold. This advanced movement challenges strength, balance, and coordination all at once. Stand on one leg. Hinge forward at the hips while extending the free leg behind you, forming a straight line from head to heel. Lower into a squat on the standing leg and hold. Keep your knee aligned with your toes and your spine neutral. Focus your gaze on a fixed point to help with balance. Begin with 15 to 20 seconds per leg, gradually progressing to 45 seconds. Use a wall or chair for support if needed. Exercise 2, Isometric Calf Raise. Calves are often ignored, but they complete the look of strong legs and improve circulation and performance. Stand tall and raise onto the balls of your feet as high as possible. Hold the contraction instead of lowering immediately. Distribute your weight evenly across all toes. Avoid leaning inward or outward. Perform 4 sets of 30 to 45 seconds, progressing to 90 seconds. Try single leg holds or stand on a step for greater intensity. Exercise 1, Wall Sit. The wall sit is a classic and one of the most effective quad builders ever. Lean your back against a wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Knees stay stacked over ankles. Keep your entire spine pressed against the wall. Hold for 30 seconds, gradually increasing to 2 minutes. Add weight on your lap or lift one leg for an advanced variation. Expect a burning sensation. Control your breathing to push through it. These exercises can be done anywhere, at home, at work, or while traveling. No equipment, no excuses. Take before photos, stay consistent, and track your progress. If you want upper body isometric exercises too, check the video on screen now. Thanks for watching, and God bless you, my friend.